Hello, so today we have with us Ms. Ankita Bora. Welcome to BharatEx 2026, ma'am. How has your experience been thus far at the event, and what more are you looking forward to taking away from here?
A very good morning, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. On behalf of FDDI, that is Footwear Designing and Development Institute under Ministry of Commerce, DPIIT, myself Ankita Bora, in Business Development and Scaling Project, I am the project manager. So we are here representing FDDI at hall number 5, and looking forward from BharatEx is like we are looking for sustainable fabrics which we can inbuilt in our fashion industries and even in our footwear.
So, since yours is more of an educational and training institution, I just want to ask that what are the challenges that you feel exist in the market that can be covered by your institution, which are still lacking, which are yet not addressed?
As you know, footwear is a very niche market. The point is there is no such more education about the footwear. We are more talking about the fashion, sustainable fabrics and everything. But especially as we are from FDDI, we are focusing on footwear. So there is a huge gap between the buyers, the students and the institute. To cater that market, we are looking forward from an education point of view to give our students a better education and innovation in footwear, because if we see it globally, there are huge brands that are building. So we want from our students and from this country to build brands that are from India. So as we are growing, the startups are going, so we are looking forward in that only.
What is the most critical skill set that you believe tomorrow's footwear designers need to survive in this increasingly sustainable driven market?
The critical skill set I can thought of, like they should be good in like designing in 3D CADs, and how AI is being incorporated in terms of designs, because AI is taking lots of our problems and making it very easy. So designers have to be quick in AI, in designs, in innovations, because as we can see in global markets how Nike and everyone is incorporating AI in the footwear. So we can we can also put some AI generated things in our footwear to make it a bit more innovative and to stand in a global market, because India has a lot of talent to do that. Because I see my students and myself is also an alumni from FDDI and from footwear background. So I want just the footwear, Indian footwear, to be globally stand outside.